ClubNFT has created a service that allows you to download all of the IPFS data associated with all of your NFTs with the click of a button. All we need is an email address for you to log in. We send a confirmation, no password or other login mechanism is necessary. Click to log in. And here we go. Now that I'm into our app, I can add as many wallets as I want. Let me add Art Gnomes. As you can see, Jason has 198 NFTs in his wallet, 47 of which are at high risk. We'll go into that in a moment. Right now, the ClubNFT system is scouring IPFS, downloading all of the content associated with all of these NFTs. When it's ready, the system will generate a zip file for me to download and store securely. In the meantime, let's take a look at what's inside this wallet. As you can see, we have the thumbnails for each NFT on the left side, and then a bunch of information along this line. First, we have the name of the project or the NFT. Over here, we have the contract address, which can be easily copied. And then we have several things which are really specific to ClubNFT and what we do. As you can see, this NFT, a backup is not applicable. That's because this NFT is based entirely on the web. All of the metadata and images are stored on private web servers, not on IPFS. That's not great. That's why the storage risk is categorized as high risk. Let's see what we can find for some IPFS-based NFTs. We can sort by the storage mechanism and find that the vast majority of Jason's NFTs are actually available on IPFS. Right now, the ClubNFT system is downloading all of these files. They'll update in real time as files are obtained. As you can imagine, load on the ClubNFT servers can be pretty high, so it might take a few days to get everything. By default, we will send you an email within 5 days letting you know when your NFT backup is ready. For those interested in more of a gallery type view, you can click this button and see everything presented that way as well. If you want to filter by the statuses of these NFTs or by the risk category, that's easily done as well. To get back to the home screen, click this button. We can add another wallet. This supports Tezos and Ethereum, as well as ENS and TNS names. You can add any number of wallets, and they don't even actually have to be your own wallet, although backing up somebody else's wallet just seems like a nice thing to do for them. But again, having the JPEGs doesn't give you ownership of the NFTs. Now that the backups are ready, I can simply click the button over here to download my backup. Now, keep in mind that because these files are created by other people, there's no way to guarantee that they don't have viruses or malware. The safest bet is to download the zip file and store it somewhere safe, but not necessarily to play with it. As you can see, these backup files can actually be really big. You may not have realized just how big some of these NFTs can be. In particular, if you own one of a 10K project or a PFP, you often actually have to download all of the images for all of the different tokens in that project in order to keep yours secure. It's a little advanced for this video, but hopefully you can see how much more difficult this would have been if I were trying to do this myself manually